On our way back to Kathgodam, our guide stopped the car for taking good perched photographs of great barbet. We ran and took photographs. The barbet was calling in a shrill voice. It was the mating call. Suddenly another barbet came and they started mating. It was for a few seconds event. While mating on the ground or tree, the male perches, and balances on top of the female, who moves her tail feathers to the side to expose her cloaca to facilitate copulation. If you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know in comment. Share and subscribe to this channel for more such videos.